Hello guys, you welcome in Genian Airdrop channel YouTube channel. Um, Here are Lacti Husk Finance Airdrop NFT already live, so you can claim any NFT from different category as available task according to your task levels. So just here, what you have to do, just you must have Twitter, Telegram, and that's it. Just uh, you must have ERC20 address too. So what you have to do, just check. You have to fill this Google form just available in video description. uh, Let me open this. Yeah, already submitted this form, so let me open this in uh, different browser. Yeah, here in this browser is this link already open, so you can submit two forms from your different browsers, any multiple forms in your different browser. Only one browser forms may be submitted. So what is the condition about this NFT? Just check this. uh, you must have to complete at least social media tasks that available here. So there are different category of NFT, just brown, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, krypton. Um, so there are only 30,000 NFT available, 5,000 in bronze category, 2,000 in silver category, 1,000 in gold category. So how you can claim this? There are tasks available. Just only for join, you would get a bronze NFT. If you invite 20 users, you would get a silver NFT. If you would invite 40, 40 users, you would get a gold, uh, as much more. So what's task is there. uh, you must follow Twitter on Lacti Husk Finance, and you must join Lacti Husk Telegram group. There are two handle of Twitter, Lacti Husk. One is Lacti Husk, another is Lacti Husk NFT. So you must have follow both of Twitter handles. Along with you must share Twitter pin post uh, that for airdrop post. This is post Lectus Finance. Uh, this is most highlighted airdrop right now because already 4.3k users already like this. 3.7 is already retweet this. So you must like, share condition that you must use hashtag defeat farming, def farming, and NFT. So already I have submitted this form. So let me check another account. I don't know what I have got from this post. I don't know I would get an NFT or not, but I'm doing this for making this video. uh, so I'm taking this user. Yeah, this I got. I'm getting I'm copied um, and returning to previous form. There you must submit your email along with Telegram handle and Twitter handle. So I'm submitting here Twitter link along with Twitter username. No username. I'm submitting their link, but you must submit their only username based at. After that, you must use your Telegram after join. So let me join. I already joined from my another accounts now. Um, I would join with another account. Now already I'm joined. So I writing here my Telegram name, Telegram username. Now here you must enter your ERC20 based uh, address from test wallet or MetaMask. Please do not use any exchanger ERC20 ETH address where you would not get any type of NFT or any type of airdrop ever. So let me copy my address. This is my second account that I using for only airdrop purpose. Now please make sure that you must enter the referral Telegram username uh, because uh, without this you can't recognize that who referred you. So please check this twice. Airdrop Bitco. Did you perform a task? So submit yes, and now submit. Oh sorry, I did not enter email. Now it's perfect. So that's it. Now submit. Yeah, this is already completed.